Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRST series. In today's video, we will be exploring self-service and employee help, two key components that empower employees and streamline HR service delivery. The self-service model allows employees to access HR services, request help, and find answers to their questions without needing direct HR intervention. Meanwhile, employee help ensures that employees receive guided support through virtual agents, workflows, and escalations. In this video, we will cover the concept of self-service and employee help, key features that enable self-service in HRSD, how employee help functions within the platform, the benefits and best practices for implementation. Let's get started. Introduction to self-service and employee help. Self-service in HRSD allows employer to submit requests, access HR policies, and track their cases from a single platform. This reduces dependency on HR teams and enables faster resolutions. With self-service, employee can check their leave balance, update personal details, access HR knowledge articles, track HR case status. Then employee help concept. While self-service provides employee with access to information, employee help focuses on providing assisted support through automated workflows and HR case management. For example, if an employee can't find the answer in the knowledge base, they can chat with a virtual agent, submit an HR case for further assistance, and escalate their issue if required. Then importance of employee empowerment. Empowering employees with self-service tools ensures that they can resolve common HR issues quickly, reduce unnecessary HR workload, improve workplace productivity. Employees expect quick and seamless HR support, and self-service is the key to achieving that. The role of technology in HR self-service. Modern technology including AI-driven chatbots, automated workflows, and cloud-based HR portals plays a crucial role in delivering efficient and user-friendly self-service experience. Now let's explore the key features that enable self-service in HRSD. Key features of self-services. Employee Service Portal. The Employee Center serves as the central hub for HR self-service. It provides a searchable knowledge base, a catalog of HR services, case tracking for submitted requests. Employee can log in and instantly access the HR information they need. The knowledge management. HRSD Knowledge provides employee with FAQ on HR policies, step-by-step guides for common tasks, searchable articles for self-resolution. A well-structured knowledge base reduces HR case volume by up to 50%. Then case and incident management. If an employee needs additional help, they can submit an HR case through a portal. The HR team can assign case to HR agents, track resolution progress, escalate issue when necessary. This ensures that HR cases are properly managed and resolved efficiently. Mobile accessibility. Employees can access HR services on the go using the ServiceNow mobile app. This allows them to submit HR requests from their phone, chat with the personal agents, check HR cases status anytime, anywhere. Mobile friendly self-service improves employee satisfaction and response times. Now let's look at the employee help features. Key features of employee help. Virtual agent. The virtual agent provides automated AI-driven chat support to help employees with HR questions. It can answer common HR queries, guides user through policy-related process, escalate complex issue to HR agents. Virtual agents reduce HR workload and improve response times. Then guided decision and workflows. HRSD provides step-by-step guided workflows. that help employees navigate complex HR tasks such as submitting expense claims, requesting job role changes, understanding benefits enrollment. This ensure accuracy and consistency in HR process. Then integration with third-party tools. HRST can integrate with third-party HR tools such as payroll and benefit system, learning management platforms, and employee engagement apps. These integration enhance self-service capability and create a unified HR experience. Then escalation and advanced support. When self-service is not enough, HRST allows employees to escalate their cases for advanced support. This includes live chat with HR agents, automate case routing based on urgency, SLAs to ensure timely response. This ensures efficient issue resolution while keeping HR teams focused on priority cases. So let's explore Employees Service Portal on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and right, employee portal. This is the employee center. And this is the self-service portal where we can request anything related to HR like pay and time, benefits like retirement, leave of absence, and health and wellness, and onboarding, HR systems. So all the self-service related to the HR is available on this self-service portal. A user can simply open, like if we want leave for absence, then you can simply open this and selects the first day of leave and then estimated last day of leave and select the leave type and then submit this request. So this is totally automated process for the self-service. Benefits and best practices. Enhancing employee experience. A well-designed self-service system employs employee satisfaction by reducing wait times for HR responses, providing instant access to information, offering multiple support channels like portal, chat, mobile. This leads to a more positive work environment. Then improving HR productivity. HR teams benefits from self-service automation by reducing repetitive inquiries, focusing on complex HR tasks, increasing overall efficiency. With fewer manual processes, HR teams can focus on strategic HR initiatives. Then key consideration for implementation. The successful implement self-service organizations should ensure an intuitive user-friendly portal, keep knowledge articles up to date, promote self-service adoption through training. A well-executed self-service strategy leads to higher employee engagement. Real-life success stories. Organization using ServiceNow HRSD have seen 50% reduction in HR case volume, faster case resolution times, increased employee satisfaction. By adopting self-service and employee help, companies can transform their HR operations. Self-service and employee helps are essential for modern HR operation. With employee center, virtual agents, and automated workflows, organization can empower employee and streamline HR services. Thank you for watching this video on HRSD self-service and employee help. Stay tuned for more insight on optimizing HRSD in ServiceNow. Thank you.